Welcome back to the VST channel. Apparently the Samsung Galaxy Welcome back to the VST channel. Apparently the Samsung Galaxy S23 has some issues with Dolby Atmos audio, where the quality drops after the long-awaited One UI 6.1.1 update, which is actually only the One UI 6.1 update, because the X.1.1 updates are always reserved for foldables and flippables, but whatever. It is still the same functionality, a lot of things. You can watch my video there. Now, this article by Sammy Fans claims that some users, after updating their S23s to the One UI 6.1.1, several users using the S23, not the Ultra, have noticed a drop in audio quality, especially with Dolby Atmos. Users reported that the audio now sounds tiny and washed out, and it used to be clear and rich before the update. And of course, according to this article, Samsung first said, What? Wait, what do you mean? No problem at all. Like everything, like the Dolby Atmos is really killing it. But then as more people reported the same issue, Samsung finally had to acknowledge what is the inevitable truth. Yes, there is an issue. And according to Samsung, actually the issue is caused by a change in the Dolby Atmos software. But what the hell is Dolby Atmos software now? This isn't a movie theater, right? So it's actually a lip. Because the update, One UI 6.1.1, which is actually 6.1, with the 6.1.1 functionality, moved from Dolby Atmos version 3.10 to 3.12. And this update is actually a good thing because it wanted to just enhance the 360 audio feature. Like, who is not using 360? I'm not, thank you. Unfortunately, it also affected the overall sound quality. Like, who saw that coming? I didn't, which some users found disappointing. The Korean tech giant mentioned that the new audio tuning may sound less clear or less punchy compared to what users were used to with the previous version. And what is even more interesting, they're now working with Dolby. So imagine Samsung is working with Dolby to fix this issue. And guys, I don't have the S23, I do have the S23 Ultra. If you thought that this is the S23 Ultra, I have to disappoint you because that's the S24 Ultra. How do we know? Well, the screen here is flat, right? And this is curved. Like, how do we know if one user has the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Well, you have to ask the user to turn the phone and just check for the button. If there is a button, that's the new iPhone, right? If the screen is not curved, it's flat, it's the S24 Ultra. But I do have the S23 Ultra here on the right, and I do have the S24 Ultra here on the left. I'm inside the audio settings, sound quality and effects. Dolby Atmos is turned off for both phones. When I turn it on, it's going to be set to music. There is also some other modes like auto or movie or voice. And then also very important, guys, the equalizer is a standard one. It's the bass boost. So usually I'm using a custom one, but okay, this time to just try to equalize it, it's gonna be the bass boost. And what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna play one and the same song on both phones with Dolby Atmos on and off on the S24 Ultra and the S23 Ultra. That is not the S23, right? And let's see what is gonna happen. The first thing I'm gonna start with is with the S24 Ultra. So I'm gonna start the song and I'm gonna change the Dolby Atmos on and off, and we're gonna have to identify the full immersiveness of the sound. The volume is pumped up to the maximum, and without any further ado, let's start and enjoy. Dolby Atmos off. S24 Ultra.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy.
There is a noticeable change. I hope that you can hear this, but I can hear this, and it's real.
I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive.
Without the Dolby Atmos, it's really thinner, it's not so immersive. Now, with on.
Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite.
And now, guys, let's do the same on the S23 Ultra.
And I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end. No.
Nothing really happens, guys. For real. Woo!
Been through some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously, so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning.
It's the same, guys. No visible change. No audible change.
I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing.
Now here.
All alone. No, I'm not alright. I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine. So you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've
Wow.
got nothing.
I hope you can hear this.
Not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. 'Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end. No.
Let's try another one. Dynamic one. Nothing really. It's pretty much the same, guys. One more time. Dynamic here as well.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she
Nothing.
hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I'm on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I'll never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand.
Definitely better. Let me know what you think down below in the comments.
Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
Yeah.
I'm alone.
Something definitely wrong with S23 Ultra. Well, surprise, surprise. It seems that this is indeed the truth. So can you use your iFix tool to repair it? I don't think so. We have to wait for Dolby to rework it and fix it, hopefully in the November update. But we still don't have the November update. We have it here for the S24 Ultra. You might want to check my November video there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe. VST over and bye.